Yeah, so good morning, everybody. Welcome anywhere you are in the world. Welcome to this morning CJC market analysis, live market analysis. Okay, are we going to have this weekly too? Yes, we've been doing this for a long time. We've been doing weekly analysis for a long time. Okay, we just started daily analysis last week. That's the beginning of August. I started daily analysis. So our weekly analysis is still there. Every Monday we look at what is going to happen throughout the week. We'll just pick few currencies pair. Then we look at the fundamentals. But every day from tomorrow, every Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we look at what is going to happen every day from that's 7 a.m. Nigerian time. All right, so let's look at what we have this week fundamentally, and from there we move ahead. All right, my name is Dixon Okungbeni. All right, the country director for CJC Market Nigeria, and I'm the one taking this today. Let's look at the market together, guys. All right, this is the fundamentals we have this week, the week of 9th to 13th August 2021. Okay, 9th to 13th August 2021. That's the week. All right, on Monday here we have FOMC member Boosty speaks. Okay, we've come to discover that every time all these FOMC people speak, it always have impact on the market, because once they come, they're going to talk about something, they're going to say something about the economy, which will affect the movement of price. So keep an eye on this at 3 p.m. Nigerian time. Keep an eye on this, okay, at 3 p.m. Nigerian time. All right, that is that on Monday. That is that on Monday. All right, on Tuesday, we having affecting Australian dollar, the NAB business confidence. All right, in Australia presently, they are experiencing a serious hit of the Delta variant of the COVID-19. Okay, the Delta variant is hitting them seriously in Australia, and this makes this data to be very important, business confidence. Okay, this data shows how well people have confidence in the economy to do business in Australia. So if the figures here are better than the previous, and we have a very good figure here, better than the previous, then it's going to affect Australian dollar positively. It will strengthen Australian dollar. But on the other hand, if the figures are lower than the expected, then you're going to see Australian dollar will be affected negatively. So watch out for this on Tuesday. Then moving from that on Tuesday, that happens 2:30 a.m. Nigerian time. As a forex trader, you must be awake 2:30 a.m. to cash some money. Okay. All right. So on Tuesday 10 a.m. we have the ZEW economic sentiment. The ZEW economic sentiment for the euro in the Eurozone. So this economic sentiment is also very important, okay? It shows how people view the economy and so on. So at this time, if it's better than the expected or the forecast, if the actual is released and is better than the forecast, then it will strengthen the euro. The same thing affecting the German ZEW economic sentiment. It will strengthen the euro. So let's keep an eye on this tomorrow by 10 a.m. Nigerian time. All right, so we leave that on Tuesday. We go to Wednesday. On Wednesday, we have inflation figures. The CPIs are called inflation figure. That's consumer price index. These are inflation figures. All right, so these inflation figures are very important, because once inflations are going up, that will call for adjusting the interest rate. That will call for adjusting the interest rate. That is why if these figures are going up, it affects the currency positively. Okay, so once these figures are going up, it affects the currency positively, because it's calling for interest rate adjustment, which will make the economy better. So that is why. So once the actual is released and is better than the forecast, then we are going to see US dollar will be strengthened. You know, I've always said it. to those of you that have been attending this our weekly analysis, please don't ignore fundamentals. Don't ignore fundamentals. Position traders are the only one that ignore fundamentals. If you're a swing trader, you're a daily trader, intraday traders, scalper, you must not ignore fundamentals, because it may change the market direction and make the market to surprise you beyond your reasonable understanding. All right, so that is why you must keep an eye on this, and you can also develop a skill in this aspect, trading fundamentally. You can be trading fundamental reports and make money. I know some people who trade fundamental reports and they make good amount of money from fundamental reports. So you can also be one of them, trading fundamental reports and make good amount of money from there. So on Wednesday, this is an important one, the retail, the inflation figures from the United States. All right, so keep an eye on that on the Wednesday. Then on Thursday, we have the prelim GDP, the prelim GDP for pounds. The prelim GDP for pounds, very important. Okay, so if the figures are better than the forecast, it's going to strengthen pounds. Pounds is going to move, okay, with this news. So if we keep an eye on the actual, if it's better than the forecast, it's better than the expected, then we are going to see pounds will be strengthening, and all the pounds pairs will go up and pounds crosses will go down. All right, so we leave that and move to another one. Okay, the unemployment claim you are seeing here for US would not be that important, because last week Friday was non-farm payroll, so this will not be that important because it's very close to the non-farm payroll. All right, so we leave that. We go to Friday. We have the prelim, University of Michigan consumer sentiment. Okay, the University of Michigan always carry out survey to check consumer sentiment, what consumers think about the economy. And if the figures are better than the expected or better than the forecast, then it will strengthen the dollars and will make the dollar to move very strongly. So watch out for this on Friday by 3 p.m. Nigerian time, by 3 p.m. Nigerian time. All right, that is our technical, our fundamentals today. And let's take a look at the technical shortly because of our time. Let's take a look at it shortly because of our time. Somebody said night gang traders. Yes, so night gang traders. In fact, we trade all the time, and all the time, not only night, day, nights, morning, afternoon, 8 p.m., 2 p.m., 1 a.m. We trade. As far as we are awake, we trade. Money must be made. In fact, every minute, money must be made. All right, that's that. And also, please, if you have not opened an account with CJC Market, this is the time to do it. Those of you can testify what happened last week. It was so interesting. Those people that did not listen to my gold analysis, when I said gold, my bias for gold is bearish, and if we break this point, it's going to go this point. Those of you that did not follow my analysis and you were like buying or doing some stuff, you saw what happened. Okay, but those of you that followed the analysis, you enjoyed it and you saw it. It's so clean, it's so clear. There's no big deal about this trading, especially if you know what you're doing. So I plead with you, everybody here, open an account with CJC Market Nigeria and trade with us, because we are one of the best broker you can ever think about in Africa. And we are growing very fast, and our desire is to trade 1 million Nigerian youths on how to trade the financial market. We have all the experience, we have everything it takes, we have all the expert trainers, we have everyone around that can make this dream come to pass. Okay, so it is good if you start trading with us, if you start working with us at CJC Markets. All right, can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me, please? I want to hear it to confirm this. Yes, we can. Thank you, everybody. Thank you all. All right, you guys can hear me. All right, so that's that. And at CJC Markets, as I always say, we give you everything apart from this analysis. This analysis is just one of many solutions we provide for our clients. one of many services we give to our clients. We also have advanced training. We have online training. We have physical training for newbies. We have advanced training for those people who are trading, but they are not doing well. Those people are looking for strategies. We have strategy classes. You can attend any of these classes and become very good. And at CJC, we employ experts to do this for you guys. Then we provide signals for our clients. Our clients alone, we provide signals for our clients. And those clients are the ones that form minimum of $500. So if you form minimum of $500, you'll be qualified, you'll be granted access to our signals. And you can trade those signals. 2-3 signals are being sent every single day. So it's a very good one for you guys. Then we have bonuses, 100% bonus for people that fund their account and a request for that. We give unto you, that's 100% bonus. Then we have big social trading platform. Social trading platform where you can copy expert trade. Just copy and make money. You don't even need to stress yourself. Copy and make money. If you are still learning, this is the time for you to copy. Okay, just copy while you're learning. Have 2 accounts. One is for copying, making money for you, while one is for learning, while you're making extra, while you are getting the knowledge. It's good you learn, because if you don't learn, the person you are copying from is a human being, and maybe one day it passes on or something happens. You understand? So you can stand alone. Yes, it's good to, as you're copying, learn. All right. So if you want to do this, let us know, and we will hook you up. We have very low spread at CJC Market, and you can see we have different kind of accounts: Saint account, VIP account, standard account. We have different kind of account, raw spread accounts. We are very transparent. Our withdrawals and deposits are very, very fast. So all this makes CJC Market to stand out, and you can't afford not to be a client of CJC Market, because we are growing rapidly over the country, all over the country, and even all over the world. We are one of the fastest growing brokerage firms in the world. So it will be nice you're part of this. And we have various links if you want to. It's not that if you want, you just have to join our Telegram channel. We have thousands of Nigerians there already. Okay, join our Telegram channel. Once you join our Telegram channel, okay, this is it. There's a link to join our Telegram channel. Once you join this Telegram channel, you'll be able to get all the information, the invite for this and that and that, okay, every single day. So that's a link for the Telegram channel. So you can join any of this Telegram channel. You can join our Telegram channel and get information from us. But if you want any of this, you want signals, you want social trading platform, you want bonus, you want analysis, you want to open an account, you want any of this you want to do, please send your name, location, and what you want. Please send your name and location to this number. Send your name and location to this number: 070-3414-6478. 070-3414-6478. Send your name and location to that number if you want any of our services: signals, social trading, bonuses, analysis, and so on. Open accounts, type of accounts, want to make any inquiry, want to become an IB with us. We have the highest paying IB you can think about. We give as high as $15 per standard lot. So this is very good for you if you want to be an IB, a partner with CJC Market. All right. So hit us up on that number or send a message on that number, and we will be able to answer you properly. Please, your name and location. Your location is very important so that we don't assign you to people elsewhere. We have offices all over Nigeria, and if you go and send your name only, we might assign you to someone in Abuja while you are in Lagos. Okay, that will not be fine. So you need to we need to get you close to your account officer or your customer service person. All right, thank you guys. I hope we are going to open account with us, and we are going to enjoy this together every day and every time. All right. Someone said, how much is the least someone can fund for a start? Someone can receive link to learning. Okay, minimum of $200 for advanced class, but beginners class is free, $0. Okay, $0. But if you're coming for the advanced class, minimum of $200 to fund for you to attend that advanced class, because we want people that are serious only. All right, so that's that. We have technical analysis is sure. Calm down, sir. Let me tell you about CJC. You need to know about CJC. CJC is all over the world, and in Nigeria we are growing very well, and you need to know about us. That is why. So we're coming to the technical. All right, let's go to technical analysis. Okay. All right. Let me share my screen now. Okay, good. Can you see my screen, everybody? Can you see my screen? I need a yes for that. Yes, yes, yes. Everybody can see my screen. All right. Yes, thank you. All right. Let's start with Euro USD, our normal pair for the week. Let's start with Euro USD. Let's see what Euro USD is likely going to do this week. Let's see what Euro USD is likely going to do this week. Okay, so I switch to Euro USD. Remember, we are doing weekly analysis. So that will be Euro USD on weekly time frame, not daily time frame. Weekly time frame. Remember, we do analysis on weekly time frame. We execute on lower time frame. Okay, we do analysis on weekly time frame. We execute on lower time frame. So this is the weekly time frame. Okay, so let's run our analysis on weekly time frame. All right. So from here, Euro USD last week. This is last week movement. You can see from this point it moved down to this point. So that's last week, and this is the beginning of the new week. All right, so this is bearish candle, but I wouldn't want to take that headlong and I just say, oh, it's bearish, it's bearish. But look at it. Price has been struggling with this point for a long time. Price has not been able to break this point. So price struggling with this point tells you this guy might reverse upward. Okay, so that's why my bias for Euro USD this morning is neutral to bullish, neutral to bearish. Sorry, neutral to bearish. Is neutral to bearish. Okay, it's going to be bearish if it closes below this tiny red line, then it will be bearish. Okay, but for now, it might reverse because of that point. It's a very strong support level. All right, so over the time, you will discover that Euro USD has been trading within this range. Euro USD has been trading within this range. You can see it. Euro USD has been trading within this range over some time now. And if you look at it, it has been inside that place, just playing. So we still expect Euro USD. That's why I look at it as neutral. If it goes back, that means this week Euro USD will still be trading within this range. Okay, let me give you that support and resistance level. The resistance level is at 1.1895. 1.1895. That's the resistance. While the support is at 1.1750. 1.1750 is the support. So Euro USD is going to trade, is possibly going to trade within this range of 1.1895 resistance and 1.1750 support this week. But on the flip side, because this is Forex, on the flip side, if price goes below 1.1750 on lower time frame, then we may see Euro USD extending to 1.1700 and 1.1600. All right, so that's telling you that once this point is broken, Euro USD has ability to go for something close to 200 pips, 250. Yes, close to 200 pips this week, downward, if that level of 1.1750 level is broken. All right, so prepare for this. And on the other hand, if you refuse to break this 1.1750 level, then you may see a bounce back upward. So Euro USD may decide to start moving upward again. All right, so let's look at the 4 hour. Remember, you are not trading on weekly time frame. We are trading on either 4 hour time frame or 1 hour time frame. So let's look at 4 hours time frame and see what Euro USD might likely be doing this week. Okay, all right, so see what I'm saying. I just got this from this bottom. I can plot my trend line and see what Euro USD is likely going to do this week. So you can see what it's doing. You can see what I'm seeing here. This is a very strong trend line, a very strong trend line, but that spans to so many days. Okay, so you see Euro USD is bouncing around that trend line. Dancing around that trend line for this week. You can see that would likely make Euro USD that would be like a little bit difficult for Euro USD this week to go back up. It's not that it's not possible, but it's a little bit difficult for the Euro USD to go back up. You can see, so it's dancing around that my trend line. creating a very serious zone, a battleground around this zone. Can you see? Creating a battleground around this zone. So any breakout of this zone, okay, we confirm that this trend line has been clearly broken and price will begin to move. But if price decides to bounce back and come up above this trend line and close on 4-hour time frame, then we might likely see a reversal upward this week. But if price breaks this red line and stay below this trend line, then that will confirm the lower movement of Euro USD this week. I believe that explains that perfectly. Okay. All right. So leaving Euro USD now, we're going to GBP USD. Okay. GBP USD, we see price failed to break 1.3980 level. Price failed to break that 1.3980 level last week. So you can see that is why we have this a little bearish candlestick. And because of this, my bias for GBP USD this week is bearish. I'm not expecting GBP USD this week to break above 1.3980 level. I'm not expecting it to do that this week. Okay, so I'm expecting GBP USD. It might go up, touch that 1.39780, but I'm not expecting it to break it. It might go up, touch this level, then fall back to this level. All right. Then if it breaks this level, then we can go to this level. But if I get to this level and bounce back again to this level. So a kind of movement within this range is what I'm expecting Euro USD, GBP USD to do this week. And that resistance is at 1.3980 level, and the support is at 1.3731 level, 1.3730 level. This is support, 1.3730 level, and this is the resistance, 1.3980 level. So a break below 1.3730 level will lead us to 1.3565 level this week. So if price decide to go below this level this week, we'll see price will fall more down to 1.3565 level. That's close to 200 pips from this. But the movement from this top to this from this point where price is now to this support level of 3730, that will go close to 150 pips downward. So this is what I'm expecting GBP USD to do this week. This is what I'm expecting GBP USD to do this week. Okay. All right. And as far as, and on the flip side, if 1.3980 level is broken, I'm not expecting price to do that, but if that happens, 1.3980 level is broken, then you will see price will take us back to 1.4200 level first. That's where you get to 1.4200 level first, 1.4200 level. So price will come to 1.4200 level if 1.3980 is broken. But I'm not expecting price to break that point, okay, because it's going to be a very difficult one for price. You can see what happened in the previous weeks, okay? So it's going to be a difficult stuff. So let's look at 4 hours and see what is likely coming up. I have a week channel. I'm seeing a week channel here. I'm seeing a week channel. Can just construct a very nice week channel on that 4 hours and see what price is likely going to do with that today, this week. All right, it's not looking good, but it's a weak one, I said. So let's see. So from this, we have insight to, okay, it's looking like a falling wedge. So we have insight to what price is likely going to do, even today, okay, because that's 4 hours. So we may see price go up to this point, hit this level, take a decision at that level. So if I were you, if you want to buy here, make sure you have a very tight stop loss. If you're going to buy today, make sure you have a very tight stop loss. Okay. So once you get to this top of this trend line, you can close that trade. Then if it goes above it, if you can't do close above the trend line, then another opportunity to buy to this level where you keep another stop loss here, a tight stop loss. But if it hits this trend line and there's a reversal, then it's a very good one to sell it back down to this point. Then if it breaks this trend line, then it's a good one. But this is a kind of a bearish wedge. It's a bearish wedge. And in the bearish wedge, we're expecting an upper breakout. Okay, it's a continuation pattern. So we're expecting an upper breakout. But this is Forex. Anything can happen, can break up, can break down. That's the truth. So as a smart trader, you need to prepare smartly to take the market by any direction it's going, because we are smart broker developing smart traders to trade the smart market, and from the smart market you make smart money and smile smartly to your bank. Okay, that is our desire. That is what we are working on, and that's that for GBP USD this week. So be prepared, be ready, because it's going to be a very sweet ride this week. All right, leaving GBP USD, I'm going to AUD USD to look at what the AUD USD has for us this week. We see AUD USD has been trading within this range. You're looking at it now within these two ranges, within this range. AUD USD have been trading within that range. So the resistance there is 0.7415. 0.7415. That's my resistance. While the support is 0.7285. 0.7285. So my bias for AUD USD is neutral to bearish. Neutral to bearish. Why am I looking at neutral to bearish? Because I feel this guy is going to move down, touch 0.7285. Then from here, it's going to shoot up again back to 0.7415. Then from there, probably it might come down this way. Okay, but that's going to happen on lower time frame. It's going to happen on lower time frame. So let's dash to lower time frame and see that on the lower time frame. Right? It's like we're still maintaining what we have before now. Remember, on AUD USD, we've been looking at this channel for some time now. Yes, a very good channel there. We've been looking at that channel for some time now. So it's likely we are still walking very close to the channel. Do you see? Do you see what I'm saying? All right. So if Euro USD continue, AUD USD continue to go below this channel, that means price is going to trend down to this point and probably break this guy and move down more. Yes, that is what it's showing us now. So you can see price is already outside the channel. Okay, we had this channel since last week and we'll be looking at it, even not last week, since upper week, and we'll be looking at it. Okay, and price has been really been moving within the channel. Now it's like price is out of this channel at this point. So if this is sustained, then price is going to move down to 0.7285 level. And if that is broken, price is going to move down more. Okay. But if price decides to come back to the channel, if this is a false breakout and price decides to come back to the channel, then that will grant us opportunity to see price going up to the top of that channel on 4 hours time frame. On 4 hours time frame. All right, guys, I believe you are enjoying this, and I believe you are taking notes and you are following, so that you'll be able to get all this very well, and you go back and trade the forex market with confidence. That is what we are trying to achieve, to instill confidence in traders and make traders trade this market profitably. Okay, all right, that's AUD UXD this week. So the resistance is at 0.7425 and my support is at 0.7285. And if 7285 is broken, it will lead us to 0.7220. It will lead us to 0.7220 level. If 0.7285 is broken, it will lead us to 0.7220 level. To lead us back to this level. Okay, that is what we are going to see for AUD UXD this week. All right, leaving AUD USD, let's move over to another currency pair, which is NZD UXD. NZD USD. Okay, this is NZD USD. Also, it's going to be a range-bound movement for NZD USD this week. It's going to be a range-bound movement, and I'm not expecting miracle to happen to NZD because they even have very little or no fundamental report this week. So for NZD USD, I'm expecting price to go up, come down, go up, come down, and close the week. That is range bound. So my bias for NZD USD this week is neutral. Neutral bias for NZD USD. So it's going to be a kind of range bound movement this week. It's going to be a kind of range, but I'm not expecting any miracle. And if you look at the fundamental report, they even have little or no fundamental report this week. That means it's going to be a range band. But for you, USD may support the movement. Okay, USD may support the movement of NZD USD. All right, on 4-hour time frame for NZD UXD this week. I don't know, but it's looking like it. But let me construct it. If it's going to fit in, then we might consider it. But if it's not going to fit in, we will not consider it. Okay, it's not going to fit in. I've seen it. It's not going to fit in. So it's a no. Control Z. It's a no for that. It's not going to fit in. So let's look at another thing. See, that one is not falling in on 4-hour time frame. On 4 hours time frame. All right, on 4 hours time frame. Then let's see if I have a trend line that can travel this distance. Let me see if I can have a trend line for this guy. Might travel the distance. Okay, I think I have something. This is it. Okay, so this trend line, we will look at this trend line and see what price is going to do on this trend line. So for me, I don't know, but I'm looking at something like this. One of my line is missing. My resistance is at 0.7100. That is why it is good to write down. Okay, 0.7100. That's my resistance. 7100. Good. I got it. All right, 7100. So from here, from this point, I'm expecting price probably hits this trend line, boom, back to that resistance. I'm expecting price to do something like that. Or on the flip side, break below this resistance at this trend line and boom, back to this support. Okay, price may also decide to do this, but let's keep an eye on this. Let's keep an eye on this. Okay, price is likely going to do any of this, but price will be trading within this range. Okay, price is going to be trading within this range for NZD USD this week. Let's go to USD CAD. USD CAD has also been a range bound movement for some time. And some of you will be asking question, why is all of them being a range bound? This is summer period. A lot of people are on holiday, and then you discover that even volatility will be low in the market because a lot of people are on holiday. It's a summer period, and a lot of money is flowing out from the market, and people are going to enjoy themselves. But they're coming back after the summer. They're going to see massive volatility. They're going to see massive volatility in the market. So in summer period, we always see a range-bound movement. But smart traders also make good amount of money that good period. All right. So you can see movement within this range also for USD CAD. And my bias for USD CAD this morning, this week is neutral. My bias for USD CAD this week is neutral. You see, price will be moving between the support at 1.2425. That's a support. 1.2425 is a support. And this resistance, 1.2620. 1.2620 is the resistance. So I'm expecting price to move in between this support and resistance this week. Let's go to 4 hours and see what USD CAD is doing. Okay, on 4 hours time frame. Okay, I don't know, but I'm still keeping my eyes on this guy until I see a breakout of this guy. I'm still keeping my eyes on this until I see a breakout of this guy. I'm still keeping my eyes on it. Then if this will not be the shoulder, then here will be the shoulder. Okay, if this one will not be the shoulder, here should be the shoulder. So I'm still keeping my eyes on this guy, and this is what we call head and shoulder pattern. Head and shoulder pattern. For those of you that know this, okay, and then you can confirm that. You can confirm that using zigzag. We confirm it using zigzag indicator. We confirm it using zigzag indicator. All right, to confirm that. But that is big because we are on 4 hour time frame. We are on 4 hours time frame. I come lower. Let me see. Okay. Yes, it's still forming that same shoulder. So it's likely going to follow that pattern. It's likely going to follow that pattern. All right, I'm just trying to show you all this so that we get exact direction and what the market will likely do, so that we will not be taken by surprise. And somebody will say, uh-oh, why they dump? Like someone said last week, why they dump? Nobody dump anything. It's just price movement, and traders are tired, and fundamental took place and price changes direction. All right, so for this, let me see. Yes, we have a very good trend line we had last week. I think we drew this, yes, last week. So that trend line is still there. That trend line is still there. That trend line is still there. So you can construct something like this also on your own this thing and see. Okay, so if price comes and hits on this trend line, I'm also expecting another bounce up. Then maybe hit on the trend line, then a bounce up. Okay. Okay, so I'm expecting this kind of movement for price this week. So take a closer look at it. You understand what I'm trying to say. Take a closer look at it. But on the flip side, if price breaks this guy and hit on this support and break this support, then that can lead us back to the beginning of this trend line. Can lead us back to the beginning of that trend line. So watch out for these guys and ensure you trade it every day. As it goes, trade it as it goes. All right, so that is USD CAD. Now let's look at gold this week. This is gold. Gold has started its movement early this morning. Serious movement early this morning. You can see, okay, serious movement early this morning, and anything price close below 1750 is a bearish bias. So my bias for gold still remain bearish. Here, my bias for gold still remain bearish. That's my bias for gold this morning. It's still a bearish bias. So you can come to 4 hours and take a look at what gold is likely going to do on 4-hour time frame. So my bias for gold is still bearish. So from here, I think price should hit, okay, price has already hit there already this morning. Then we need to see a drop down to 1676, 1676 or 1675 level. So this is likely the movement of gold. But on the flip side, if gold decides to, oh, I'm tired of this down movement, I've done that already very early hour of today, and gold decided to move above this 1750 level. If gold decide to close a candle on 4 hours, decide to close above 1750 level, then we will see price will move towards the next resistance at 1790 level. Price will move towards the next resistance at 1790 level. So this week, so price may decide to go above this level and also come back to this level. It's possible. This is gold, where movement, this commodity can move like fire. No, but as it's still below 1750, price may drop gently or gradually, okay, toward 1675. It may drop gradually towards 1675 this week. Okay, price may do this week for gold. All right, guys, this is the analysis for this week and what price is likely going to do this week. Okay, so get prepared and see. This is the gold. This is the gold on 1 hour time frame. So get prepared and take advantage of all this that we are showing you and make smart money from the market. Somebody said, does your broker have take profit, stop loss, limit, and other? We have it, everything. I told you we have everything you're looking for. Yeah, we have everything you are looking for. We have it. All right. Someone said, bearish trader usually stay long than bullish trade. I'm not interested. Don't be interested in all those things. Trade the present. Don't trade future. Don't trade expectation. Trade the present. What you can see, that is what you should do. Does your broker have? Okay, I've answered that question. NZD is a trend line of 3 touch aside from that false break of the trend line. Yes. Yes, I got that. Exactly, I was correct. Yes, you are correct. Yes. We are enjoying the meeting and the learning. Thank you very much. I've enjoyed you guys too. One more, got a lot to learn. Flag pattern, yeah. The CJC trade synthetic index. Let me answer this question straight. Any broker that trades synthetic index, a binary option broker. And I don't want to say more than that. The answer is no, we don't trade synthetic index. Okay, please, I'm going to Port Harcourt office. I'm not sure of the address. Okay, if you are going to any of our offices, Port Harcourt office is 193 Aba Road, Rumola Junction, beside Emerald Hotel, second floor, Port Harcourt. CJC Market, second floor, 193 Aba Road, Rumola Junction, that junction, yes, beside Emerald Hotel, Port Harcourt, Rivers State. Then our Lagos office is CJC Market, 6th floor, Mosheshola House, 103 Allen Avenue, Ikeja, Lagos. While our Abuja office is at number 50, Ademola Adetokunbo Crescent, Wuse 2, Abuja. CJC is on first floor of that building. First floor of the building, number 50, Ademola Adetokunbo Crescent, Wuse 2, Abuja. These are the 3 offices we have in Nigeria. We have partner offices in Ilorin, in Ibadan, in Asaba, in Calabar, in Akwa Ibom, and so many other places. And so many, Kaduna, Kano, and so many other places. We have partner offices all over. So you can walk into any of these offices, and you are going to see us there. What of Anambra office? We have office already in Asaba now. Asaba is close to Onitsha. Only if you want us to bring to Oka, okay? I'm going to do something about it. I can be our partner and pilot the affairs in Oka. All right. On the fundamental analysis. Okay, drop your question. I'm here. I'm going to answer your question. Some questions are here. Does CJC trade synthetic index? I've answered that. All right. So please, if you want to open an account with us, visit our website, www.cjcmarketglobal.com. This is www.cjcmarketglobal.com. That's our website. You can visit our website at www.cjcmarketglobal.com or send your name, your location, and what you want. Do you want copy trade? Send it. Do you want us to recommend very good traders for you that can handle your accounts? If you have big accounts like $5,000, $10,000, $20,000, $40,000, $50,000, $100,000, we have traders that we can recommend. You guys will discuss. Okay, we are not an investment company, but we help our clients in so many ways. Okay, you guys can discuss and agree. So anything you want somebody to handle your account, you want to do copy trade, you want signals, you want analysis, you want to get link for training, advanced classes. Send your name and location to this number, 070-3414-6478. Send your name and location to that. You want to be an IB, you want to be partner with us at CJC Market. Send your name and location to that number, and you will be glad you did. CJC Market is a home of experts. We have so many experts at CJC Market. And when you walk into any of our office and you listen to the trainings, you understand what I'm trying to say. We have so many experts at CJC Market. The one with the yellow button, are they less significant than the other? No, not at all. It's not. Forget about the yellow, the red, and the blue. The yellow, the red, and the orange. Okay, forget about those things. Just those ones I've shown you, they are the one that's going to, it's cost price movement this week. So that is why you need to attend our analysis every day, every single day. Attend this analysis. Tomorrow is not 11. We do weekly analysis by 11. But daily analysis is 7:30 a.m. before the market starts, 7:30 a.m. before the market starts, so that you will have a view of what the market is going to do for the day before you join, okay? And for you to get our reminder or link or so on, join this Telegram channel. This is our Telegram channel. Thousands of Nigerians are there. Join this Telegram channel and you will get a link every time we send the link there for trading and for the analysis, daily analysis, weekly analysis. All right, we are coming up with gifts. I will announce that tomorrow for you guys. We'll announce that for you guys tomorrow. There'll be a special gift for some people. Okay, I will not mention it. It's all right. Questions are here. Are the advanced classes also available online? Definitely. We have advanced classes online. What's the minimum amount for those that want to copy your trade? It depends on the trader. you want to copy our trade, it depends on the trader. Some traders said they are good with $200, some good with $500, some good with $2,000, some good with $10,000 because of the kind of strategies they are using. So they specify an amount you can use to copy their trades so that you don't blow your account. But I advise you strongly, any trader you are going to copy their trade, you need to follow with 0.01 first. In your settings is there. You're able to set fixed lot size of 0.01. Okay, no matter the amount you have, if you have $10,000, go with 0.01 first and see how well the trader is doing. If the trader is doing fine, then you can change your setting and start getting the money. I think that is very cool. All right, okay. Any other question, guys? I've answered all the questions I have here. Any other question before we go and sit down and start doing the trading? How can I break fear not to blow an account from demo to real? If you don't want to blow your account, okay, you want to control your fear, you don't